Welcome to Exam Heist, your trusted partner in certification success. We provide comprehensive study materials, available both online and offline. We're here to guide you every step of the way. From in-depth PDF guides to structured practice sets, we covered all essential questions to help you in certificating. You'll always have the right resources at your fingertips. Download the PDFs, take practice tests, and connect with our expert support team. Interactive online practice support, so you can test yourself anytime, anywhere. Exam-ready PDFs, carefully curated with essential questions. Top performers consistently rely on Exam Heist. With thousands of learners already certified, we've built a reputation for quality and trust. Expert assistance, where certified professionals are available to answer your queries. And most importantly, content that stays up to date with the latest exam patterns. Start today, and move one step closer to your certification success. So don't wait. Give your preparation the winning edge with Exam Heist. Visit examheist.com now. Exam Heist, your journey to success starts here.
Question 1. Which utility can you use to validate an LSP in an MPLS environment? Option A. URPF. Option B. MPLS LSP ping. Option C. Logging. Option D. RSVP. Choose the correct answer. Correct answer is option B, MPLS LSP ping. Question 2. What is the primary function of a VRF on a router? Option A. It enables the router to support multiple separate routing tables, which allows the device to handle overlapping IP addresses. Option B. It enables a router to run BGP in a distance vector routing protocol at the same time, which allows it to serve as a VPN endpoint between remote sites. Option C. It enables a router to configure VLANs locally, which provides segregation between networks. Option D. It enables the router to provide faster switching through the network by using labels to identify the input and output interfaces for neighbor routers. Choose the correct answer. Correct answer is option A. It enables the router to support multiple separate routing tables, which allows the device to handle overlapping IP addresses. Visit examheist.com now. Start your exam success today. Prepare smarter with Exam Heist. Practice real exam questions. Download PDFs and revise with confidence.